2014 marks Wayside Country Store and Candy's 84th birthday here in Marlborough. And next year marks the 40th year under the Serra family ownership. This is the longest period of time one family has owned the property.
Country Store was moved here by auction in 1929 by Henry Ford. He purchased it and opened it up in April of 1930. And there was two other previous owners before us, and we bought the store in 1975.
Everyone loves the Country Store, which features a wide variety of gifts, home decor, food items, and of course, the candy store.
Everybody's happy when they come in here, and it's just a great place to work, lots of sweets.
You'd think that you'd be sick of candy by now after working in a candy store for 40 years. But for Wayside Country Store owner Debbie, that just isn't the case.
Well, I eat candy every day, but in moderation. It's just such a wide variety of tastes and textures, and you go from sour to chocolate to gummy, and there's just so many different varieties that you can't get tired of it.
Luckily, for every candy lover out there, the store has continued to evolve and grow throughout its 40 years.
The candy store and country store is constantly changing. We have attached the candy store to the country store, but the candy store used to be in the building next door where the function hall is now, and then we moved it over here in 2005. And so it's grown in size coming over here, and it used to be like half gift and half candy. Now it's basically 90% candy and 10% gifts.
The Country Store isn't just a place that locals look forward to visiting.
We have visitors coming from everywhere, not just Metro West area, from California, Florida, everywhere, Texas. So, you know, different times of the year. The fall is very busy with people coming out, you know, leaf peeping, and, you know, they come to the Country Store to check out the candy.
Customers can breathe a sigh of relief because according to owners Debbie and Rob, the Country Store is happy to stay in the confines of Marlborough.
I think it's fabulous. I love Marlborough. I've been here my whole life, and it's just a great place to live. And I think the Country Store, with all the history of, you know, Henry Ford owning it and everything, is, you know, kind of nice to have in Marlborough.
So whether it's penny candy, fudge, chocolate, gift baskets, or collectibles, Wayside Country Store has everything your sweet tooth could possibly ask for.